Losing access to your chats can be stressful, but Messenger is designed to prioritize your privacy, which is a good thing. So, Facebook Messenger uses an end-to-end encryption, meaning that your messages are safe and private. Only you can access them. Even Facebook can't even read or restore them without your permission. Therefore, if you don't have your PIN or recovery key, Messenger keeps your data secure. So right now, what you can do is you can check other devices. If you're still logged in into the Messenger on an old phone, tablet, or computer, your chats might be there. And you can also try looking for older messages. If you recently enabled encryption, some older chats might be visible. So scroll up in your conversation history to check, and also try asking the other person. If the other person still has a chat, they can resend important messages or share screenshots. If none of the solutions work, you can try downloading your entire chat history by going to settings, then after simply scroll down and then tap on see more in account center. Now tap on your permissions and tap on your information and permission and tap on export your information. Tap on create export. Tap on export the device or external service according to your preference. Select your Facebook and then go ahead and tap on customize information. Deselect everything that is displayed over here except in the messages section. Make sure that it's ticked on messages, then tap on save and scroll all the way down and tap on start export, and it will be sent to your device or wherever you have chosen, and you'll be able to view your messages history. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.